Hello, in this video I'm going to record it while I'm in a bike. Wait a moment. It may be a lot of bumper or a lot of the camera may not be very nice. So if you find it the video make you having a headache, you can minimize the Chrome and then keep watching my video while surfing in other websites. Yeah, it's because some of you said that you guys are very interested in the neighborhood I live in. Okay, it's I would say a very safe neighborhood. Oops, it's a very safe neighborhood. But people are okay. People are okay. Not very nice, but not very horrible. It's okay. And then, yeah. In this video, I want to talk about: will there be a giant stock market crash in 2022? Very recently, it means yesterday, I read an article about if there will be a stock market crash in 2022, and the writer explicitly said that no. Okay, and then I found it some of the reasons are quite insightful. For example, it said that compared with 2008, this year currently at this moment, the U.S. household saving rate is much higher. Okay, it's around 100% higher than that in 2008. In 2008, the saving percentage of people were extremely low. Many of them have used mortgage or used margin to or borrow money for their living. But now, okay, at this moment, the saving rate in USA is much higher and much healthier. And the writer believes that even if there is a stock market crash or a stock market drop, it will not cause a domino effect. In 2008, the most horrible domino effect is that the Lehman Brothers at the end went bankrupt, and it caused a lot of collateral, a lot of related investment tools value went down to zero, and then a lot of other financial institutions went bankrupt, and then it became a vicious cycle. So in this article, it mentioned that such thing will not happen. So the stock market can go to the moon. I'm not sure if it is absolutely true. I think somehow he has a point. For example, you can see that in 2020, there was a serious, horrible drop, okay, in the first half of the years, and then it recovered like crazy. The rebounding is like crazy, and probably because the Fed decided to inject a lot of money to the stock market, to the financial system. And then, so I guess if there is a drop in stock market in 2022, probably Fed will do the same. Actually, I predict that the Fed will have the following measures. At the same time, it will increase the interest rate. Okay, increase the interest rate to battle the inflation. The inflation in the USA and in Canada is like crazy. I know that. I have friends living in North America, and she told me that the price of food is going up, and the rent also going up. Everything is going up. Okay, except the salary just go up a little bit. Yeah, welcome to the world. And so I believe that the Fed will at the same time it will increase the interest rate, but also it will keep buying a lot of government bond. okay, it will buy a lot of government bond in the market, okay, to ensure there is enough money supply in the financial market. A lot of people say the opposite. A lot of people simply say that, oh, the Fed will increase the interest rate and that it will reduce the money supply, okay? But the point is, interest rate increase is necessary. I agree with it. We both agree with it, especially in 2022. But it does not necessarily mean that the Fed need to reduce the money supply as well. Full relax or full maintain the current money supply while increase the interest rate, somehow it can tackle the price level while will not seriously affect the financial market. It's my honest belief. But somehow, except a few economists, people, especially those major social media, never mention about it. So I believe that their conclusion is that the stock market will always go collapse. And I believe that there will be a drop in the stock market, but I still don't believe that the stock market will collapse like crazy. And the second insightful thing that the article mentioned is that expectation. In 2008, low people expect there will be a stock market collapse. So when the stock market start drop, they will say it's just a one-time thing. But then everything went worse more and more, and then it's like a disaster. Finally, but in 2022, it's absolutely different. So many people now already expect, okay, there will be a stock market crash, okay, everything will go to hell in 2022. And then if we think like that, even something bad happen, it won't. Wait a moment. Some idiots just standing on the bicycle lane. Motherfucking idiot. And then, yeah, the expectation is different. In 2022, people already are very pessimistic about this year. So even if something went wrong, okay, they will take measures to cut losses immediately. And then the Fed also are extremely cautious about 2022. They are extremely cautious about it. So I believe that if the stock market drop, is okay, but if it's dropped like crazy, the Fed at the end need to do something. The inflation problem, without doubt, is very horrible and need to pay absolute attention. But the fact that if a lot of investment instruments go bankrupt and even some investment bank collapse, such consequence is much more horrible. And the Fed can never let that happen. Yeah, so I believe that, and the article also believes that the Fed will increase the interest rate, but at the same time try their best to maintain the current money supply. In this case, it will without doubt affect the financial market, but it won't cause a chaos in it, while the inflation rate can be pushing down. It's the finding of the article, and I find it a bit insightful, and I hope it can help you. As I'm still in the bike, so I may continue to talk other aspects as well. And let me think. Oh yeah. In the investment journey, okay, I found that there was an YouTube video I made and received quite big reaction. Is about how to invest. For a successful investor, we need to be humble, okay? Maybe when I say it, I'm not humble at all. My return is good, I will say good. But of course, not very successful compared with other outstanding YouTuber, okay? For example, Chicken Genius Singapore is my idol. His profit is great, better than mine, okay? And I respect him so much. And he personally will use option in his trading, okay? I think it's because of different level. To be absolutely honest, I still cannot master option, so I don't use option trading. But he can handle it, he can master it, so he still use option on his investment, okay? Different style, different habits is totally okay. And then if you use option, be safe, okay? Be cautious, don't be so greedy. Oh yeah, in terms of greedy, when I day trade when I day trade Tesla stock, one of my major rule is don't be greedy. The main reason why I day trade Tesla, I told you guys before, again and again, is that I need to keep a sense in Tesla. And the best way to keep a sense in Tesla is not read its news, read the article, see what other YouTubers do. It's bullshit, okay? It means nothing. The most important thing is really to seriously engage in investment in it. And then when I buy 1 or 2 Tesla, okay, each time I just buy 1. Maximally I buy 2, okay? I want 1, 2. And then by doing this, okay, you will feel you connected with Tesla immediately. And then if it go up a bit, then you will be very happy. And then if it go down like crazy, and then you will be a bit sad. And then also it can increase your imagination. Sometimes when after I purchase Tesla, let's say at $1,000, okay, and then when I slept, okay, because the time horizon of the city I live is different from North America, so when you guys invest like crazy in stock market, it's time for me to sleep, haha. And then before I sleep, I will set a sell order, okay, sometimes, and then I will set, I purchased in 1,000, and then I set a sales order at 1,060. And then tomorrow morning when I woke up, I sell it successfully, okay, capture 6% in a day. Of course, the money is not much, just $60. It's not much at all, but it can enhance your imagination that, Tesla is a stock that everything can happen, okay? It's difficult to imagine a 6% return in a night, okay? And then by doing such transaction, I can keep being humble. If it can 6% growth in a day, it can have 6% drop, maybe in an hour, definitely. So I worship Tesla, but at the same time, I respect Tesla. I won't think that I can master Tesla. No, not at all. I can never master Tesla. Tesla is a beast, it's a master, it's a monster. It's extremely difficult for us to master it. The only thing we can do is worship it, and then respect it, and then don't try to think we can control it. We can never control it. Yeah, so I think it's a great thing to day trade Tesla. So I think it's a great thing that day trade Tesla, and it gives a great sense of me in the investment world. So you can see that I already arrived the harbor. Very beautiful scene. Hope you enjoy the scene. And yeah, very beautiful place. And let me show you better. Wait a moment. Yeah. The video is around 15 minutes. Okay, very beautiful place. And then it's another new territories, and actually it's the university. One time I made a video at university is at this area, and then the place I live is at this area. This area is the place I live. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and again have fun and have a great investment journey.